Let's begin our practice in Shavasana. Take a moment and adjust the body so that you feel more comfortable. You can adjust your clothes, your physical body, anything that you need to become more at ease. In the practice that follows, we will begin feeling through the sensory web of awareness to bring a sense of well-being to the body. Softly close your eyes and take a deep breath in through the nose, pausing at the top, enjoying the sweetness of the breath, and then letting it out slowly and with control. Let the breath wash over the torso, encouraging the body to still. Let go. Take another deep breath in through the nose, and this time open the mouth slightly and let the breath slowly roll off the tongue. Let go. Take a breath in through the nose and clench the mouth and jaw. And on your exhale, open the jaw. Relax the jaw and swallow to clear the throat. Inhale and draw the shoulders up to the ears. Exhale, roll the shoulders down the back body. Inhale, and as you exhale, send the breath to relax the upper arms, the elbows, and the forearms. Inhale, and as you exhale, roll the wrists out and open and close the palms. Inhale, feel the chest and the belly expand. And exhale, the entire front of the body soften. Inhale, engage the quads, and as you exhale, relax the quads and the knees. Inhale and flex the feet back towards the shins, activating the calf muscles. Exhale, relax. Rock the feet side to side. Relax the entire body. Observe the body as completely relaxed. Drop out of the thinking mind and feel the body as radiant sensation. Place your awareness on the mouth and the jaw. Let go of thinking and allow yourself to be immersed in total awareness of the mouth, the jaw, the tongue, the teeth, the throat. Let go of any thoughts that arise Allow your awareness to land on the right ear. Sense the right ear, the left ear. Welcome the sensation of both ears simultaneously. Bring your awareness to the cheeks, the nose, the flow of prana in and out of the nose. Sense the right eye, the left eye, both eyes as radiant sensation. Let go and drop into that sensation. Sense your forehead cool and smooth. Sense the scalp, the back of the head, the face, the jaw, and the neck as relaxed and easeful. Bring your awareness to your right shoulder. Your left shoulder. Your right elbow. Your left elbow. Your right forearm, your left forearm, your right wrist, your left wrist, your right palm, your left palm, your right fingers, your left fingers. Sense the right arm, sense the left arm, sense both arms at the same time. Bring your awareness to your right chest, your left chest, your right abdomen, your left abdomen, your right buttock, your left buttock, your right lower back, your left lower back, your right upper back, your left upper back. Sense the back of the body, sense the front of the body, sense the whole torso at the same time. Now bring your awareness to the right hip, the left hip, the right thigh, the left thigh, the right knee, the left knee, the right shin, the left shin, the right ankle, the left ankle, the right foot, the left foot, the bottom of the right foot, the bottom of the left foot, the right calf, the left calf, the back of the right knee, the back of the left knee, the back of the left thigh, back of the right thigh. Sense the right leg, sense the left leg, sense both legs at the same time. Observe the body through the lens of the observer, noticing the spacious openness of pure awareness where all of the sensations are arising. Watch sensations coming and going in awareness. Awareness of the sensation of breathing, the sensation of the beating of the heart, the sensation of your whole body relaxed. Observe the sensations of peace, contentment, joy, and relaxation spreading throughout your entire body. Observe the ever-present sensation of well-being spreading throughout the entire body. With each inhalation, feel the expansive quality of awareness. And with every exhalation, feel the sensation of warmth, security, and well-being radiating throughout the entire body. Allow your undivided attention to be focused on feeling your entire body as a radiant field of sensation in which all things are arising. Observe any sensations, feelings, memories, or emotions arising and welcome them as messengers. Noticing any emotion, feeling, memory, or sensation and simply acknowledging it and welcoming it into your awareness. Call to mind the opposite of the sensation, memory, feeling, or emotion that is arising, and notice what happens to the thinking mind when you bring both the feeling and its opposite into your awareness. Experience the qualities of presence, awake and aware, intimate and intelligent, authentic, peaceful, creative. Feel sensations of emptiness, expansiveness, but at the same time, fullness and power. Rest here, feeling a felt sensation of presence. And as you're ready, begin to awaken the inner ears to the sensation of sound. Awaken the ears to the sensation of sound vibrating in the inner ear canal. Continue to allow the body to awaken, inviting the sensation of touch to the fingers as you rub the thumb across the pads of the index finger, the middle finger, the ring finger, and the pinky finger. Gently swallow and clear the throat, inviting the sensation of taste. And as you're ready, gently open the eyes and awaken the sensation of sight, looking out into the world through the windows of the soul. Namaste.